when you want to serve the Lord, don't serve the Lord because of what you want the Lord to give you. Serve the Lord because he deserves your service. It's a privilege. You know, I said, was it here? I said, I've been saying it. I said, look, who is a man of God? A man of God is not a man that wears suit every Sunday and put on tie and stand on the pulpit and say, praise the Lord. God does not have a spirit, but God is a what? A spirit. So when the spirit will find a man that he will use to give somebody bread, and you become God's hand in the physical, to give somebody who is hungry bread, who are you? Man of what? Because God has found what? A man. Because he wants to give somebody bread, but he's a spirit, and he does not have a bakery. Am I communicating here? He doesn't have a bakery, and he wants to use a man that will understand and say, give that man bread. By the time he finds one person with that heart that he will use to give somebody bread, what do you call that person? Now, if you call all those the only wear suit, man of God, who are you? Man of who are you? Huh? Huh? Now, if you ascribe those who wear suits and tie and every time when they come to your shop, God bless you, don't use big voice. They say, man of God, this one where it comes to you. Who are you? Are you man of who? You're a child of God. The other one is a man of what? Touch somebody, I am a man of God. When God finds a man he will use to do something, that man is a what? He's a man of God.